In a place once roaring with the thunder of progress, where the current of nature was bent to human will, a vision sparked by a man ahead of his time lives on. He dared to dream a world lit without wires, to feel the frequency of the earth and bring invisible forces to life.
In the 1930s, Tesla was interested in wind, solar, tides, geothermal. He was always looking for alternative energies. He did not want to sap the earth of all, his natural resources.
Through the tunnels of history, we race toward the light he saw so clearly, a burst of brilliance in every direction. We came not just to remember, but to rediscover, to celebrate the spark that still flows through every circuit, every dream.
A spirit of curiosity, innovation, and boundless vision.
So here we are, a man that changed the world for the benefit of mankind.
Energy isn't just electricity. It's rhythm, it's resonance. It's a dance between sound and soul. And in the harmony of music, we find the same beats that beat in Tesla's heart. A melody made of math, a symphony of science. From the roar of the falls to the flash of light in the sky, we honor a legacy written in lightning